Oh, what's up? Good evening, friends. Well, still morning time under, you know, going into the afternoon and stuff like that. Welcome to this Facebook Live. As y'all see, it's a pretty day so far. Mm-hmm. The sun is out, ladies and gentlemen. Bring y'all on the back right now. Okay? There's a little bug over here. I ain't gonna show the bug. Yep, it's a nice day right now. It's pretty today, so let's go in the back. Hopefully I'm not gonna blind y'all with. Hopefully I'm not gonna blind y'all with the sun. Okay, think I'm gonna move that out the way until I'm sure, you know, that it ain't gonna rain tonight. Yep, I guess the sun is trying to come out, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the sun is coming out. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Yep, the sun is coming out. Mm-hmm. Oh, did I blind y'all? I'm sorry. I gotta rewind this when I finish. So let's look at the sun one more time. Am I blinding y'all? Tell me if I'm blinding y'all. Uh, oh, wow. Oh, sun in your eyes. I'm sorry. Next time y'all watch this show in the sun, make sure y'all put on some sunglasses, okay? Make sure y'all put on some sunglasses and everything nice, okay? So it may rain, but I'm not gonna do my show in the rain though. So today is March the 24th, 2021. You know. Yep. So. Oh, and my friend Jerry was watching. So so anyway, I ain't even had a chance to say hey to Jerry just in case she watching this again. Hey Jerry, okay. Anybody else from the Barry that's watching, you know? But if this is on YouTube, hello everybody else, you know? Yep, it's nice out here, you know? Mm-hmm. Yep. Sure is a beautiful day, probably for fishing, you know? Anybody else that's gonna go out and start fishing? Who knows? Yep, who knows? Anybody that go out fishing and stuff like that? You know? Yeah. Crows making noise. Huh. Ain't that something? All right, let's go back on the front. Okay. Go back on the front. And, all right, so the sun is out, ladies and gentlemen. Very happy about this, you know. But let's see if my friend Latalia will come over next week when it warms up, you know. It's a pinch cool out here. Killed another bug. Yep, it's springtime, ladies and gentlemen. Just what we need, a little spring, you know. Warm weather. I know some of y'all was tired of the the rain. Some of y'all was tired of the wintry rain, the wintry weather. You know, freezing cold and stuff like that. You know, so the good news is y'all can come outside in y'all shorts. Girls can come outside with their shorts or skirts or dresses and everything. You know, that'll be good. That'll be great. You know, y'all come outside in y'all dresses and stuff like that. Like that, you know. So so that's all. You know. Hope y'all enjoy this weather on this nice spring day. March the 24th, 2021, and everything.